Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add VWAP in TradingView chart. If you're new to it, VWAP stands for Volume Weighted Average Price. It's a running average that gives more weight to prices with higher trading volume, which makes it a favorite for many day traders and intraday analysts. Essentially, it helps you see where the majority of trading activity is concentrated, giving a more accurate sense of the true average price for the session. Adding it in TradingView takes just a moment, and once it's on your chart, you can quickly gauge whether price is trading above or below the session's average, which can help you identify potential support and resistance levels, or areas where price might revert to the mean. To get started, make sure you have any chart open in TradingView: stocks, crypto, futures, you name it. At the top left of your chart, there's the Indicators button. Click that to open the Indicators panel. This brings up a search bar and a list of built-in tools, making it easy to quickly find the indicator you want. In the search field, simply type VWAP. TradingView will filter the results instantly. Look for the item labeled VWAP in the built-in section. This is the standard session-based version most traders use. Now click on it. As soon as you do, VWAP will appear on your chart automatically. You'll see a smooth line that updates in real time as each candle forms, reflecting the weighted average price for that session. That's really all there is to it. By default, the line represents the current session's average price weighted by volume on intraday timeframes. You'll notice it resets with each new session, which helps you quickly assess mean reversion, potential support and resistance, and whether momentum is extending too far from the average. If price is far above VWAP, it can signal strength, but also potential overextension. If it's below, it can indicate weakness or a possible bargain area. Always interpret these signals in the context of your broader trading strategy, rather than in isolation. A couple of quick notes to keep you oriented. Because VWAP is tied to the trading session, it's most informative on intraday charts, like 1 minute to 1 hour timeframes. If you're looking at higher timeframes, the line may appear flatter or behave differently than expected. Also, after adding it, you'll notice VWAP listed near your chart's indicator legend, confirming it's active. You might see it drawn as a single line in a distinct color that contrasts with your chart theme, making it easy to spot at a glance, even when your chart has multiple indicators or drawings. On markets that trade nearly around the clock, like major cryptocurrencies, the VWAP session typically resets based on the platform's day boundaries, so your line will refresh at the start of each new day. Keep that in mind when comparing price behavior across sessions, especially if you're trying to identify trends or intraday patterns over multiple days. And that's it. Open the Indicators panel, search for VWAP, and click it. Done. With just those clicks, you've added one of the most practical benchmarks to your TradingView setup. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you read the market with more clarity and confidence, giving you actionable insights for your trading or analysis.